Today I'm making bird pizzeria Caesar salad with a twist. Let's start with the dressing. Anchovies. You're going to use 4 to 6 anchovies. Juice of 1 lemon. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now it's time to muddle. Now that we're done muddling, we're going to transfer it to a bowl and we're going to add more ingredients. 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of
Worcestershire
sauce, 2 tablespoons of capers, 2 cloves of garlic. Now whisk. Taste. Wow, that's it. That's good. Here's the twist. I do not like kale. I'm going with romaine lettuce. Now I'm preparing the croutons. Let's assemble this bird. Next is an obscene amount of Parmesan cheese. Obscene. And the last step is our beautifully crushed croutons. Let's dig in.